Hi there, hello everyone. Today I have another yet unboxing video. This time it's for the Huawei Watch GT. Yes, that's Huawei Watch GT. So this will be a quick unboxing video, and the short review will be coming soon once I use this watch for a while. So let's just go and unbox it. So right inside the box you are greeted with the watch itself. Once you pull this tab, you have the info regarding the serial number. So that's the Huawei watch, as you can see. It's turned on for some reason. I was not the one to turn it on, but it was turned on. So inside the box you have your USB to USB-C connector, and then you have your charging dock, and you got some paperwork as well. Yeah, it's a quick start card and warranty card. Okay, let's just put this back. So I'll just try to give you guys a quick specs of this watch. So this watch was released back on 2018 November. So this watch is basically a lightweight watch. It weighs on just 46 grams, and the thickness is 10.66 millimeter. The internal storage is 128 megabytes, and there is a no card slot. As of today, there is no SIM support on this watch as well. So let me just put on the watch. So this is how it looks in the hand. Yeah, you guys can see it properly. There you go, that's how it looks in the hand. So it has a display of 1.39 inches, which is approximately 12.5 centimeter, and the display is AMOLED. So you can get the crispy colors. The color saturation is really good. You have an accelerometer sensor, gyro sensor, heart rate sensor, barometer, and a compass sensor as well in this watch. The battery is 420 milliampere, which is said to last about 2 weeks. That's said to be verified by me. And at last, this watch has a 16 megabytes of RAM, so that will be enough to do the common tasking with this watch. So that's it, guys. It was just a quick unboxing and specs rundown of this watch. Stay tuned, and I'll give you an update once I use this watch. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe, please. Thanks.